Morning students, let's continue with the fifth chapter, chapter 5, expansion formulae. Now today what we are going to learn is expansion of a plus b whole cube. Now you can see children, a plus b whole cube, that means it can be written as a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. So this we can write as a plus b. Now this a plus b into a plus b, we can write it as a plus b whole square, right? 2 bracket. So this is equal to a plus b. Okay, now we are writing the formula. We know a plus b whole square formula is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is equal to, now here see children, this becomes 2 bracket and we have to, here in between the 2 bracket, what sign is there? Multiplication. No sign means multiplication sign. So you need to multiply, this is a binomial, this is your trinomial, so we need to multiply this both bracket. Now how to do? Split the smaller bracket, that means this binomial. So we'll write a into a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then here is what? Plus b, so it will come plus b into a square plus 2ab plus b square. So now this is equal to a into a square becomes a cube plus 2 into ab, so become 2a square b plus ab square plus ba square plus 2ab square, okay, plus b cube. Now see children, a cube and b cube, a cube. Now 2a square b, and here is also one more a square b term, so bring it together, 2a square b plus ba square plus ab square plus 2ab square plus b cube. Now see children, here we have arranged like terms, both the variables, power of the variable is same, a square and it is b. Here also ab, both the terms are having a and b square. Now this becomes a cube plus 2a square b plus 1a square b, right? Nothing is given, that means 1. So it becomes 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So this is what? Nothing but a plus b whole cube. The expansion of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And see children, this is nothing but the formula. Expansion of a plus this becomes, this is your formula. That is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. So by using this formula, we can do the expansion of the next exercise. Now let us see how to expand any question, any question given based on with the help of this formula, that is a plus b the whole cube formula. How we can use this formula and do the expansion. How we can use the formula and do the expansion. A plus b the whole cube, how we can use the formula and do the expansion. So I hope this expansion, how we have got, that is clear to everyone. Now let us take one example. Suppose if you take one example, if I am taking an example, okay, now we need the expansion of 3x plus 4y the whole cube. Okay, we want the expansion of 3x plus 4y the whole cube. Now what you will do, see children, now since it is a cube, so you have to apply, and in between what sign is a plus sign. So you will use which formula? A plus b the whole cube. And what is a plus b whole cube? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now here see children, you have to remember, okay, if you don't write that step, then also it is understood. But initially if you want, you can write what is your a over here. We will write here what is a. A is 3x, and what is your b term? That is 4y. This is only for knowledge purpose. Writing of this is not important. Okay, now let us do the expansion. This is equal to 3x plus 4y the whole cube. Now see children, first a cube, okay, a cube. So what is your a? 3x. So it is 3x the whole cube plus 3 as per the formula. What is a square? A square means what? What is your a? 3x square. What is your b? 4y. Now again plus formula 3. What is your a? A is 3x. What is your b? 4y, right? Plus b cube. What is your b cube? 4y the whole cube, right? Now you can see children, we have just substituted all the values in the formula. A cube plus 3a square. In place of a, we have to write what is a, 3x square, into b plus 3a b square it is children, no, so it will be b square. Okay, 3 into 3x, okay, 4y the whole square plus b cube. Now this will be equal to 3 into 3 into 3, so it becomes what children? What is 3 cube? 3 cube will be 3 into 3 into 3. So you can write here, that is 27x cube plus, this is 3 into 3 square becomes what? 9, and x square will become x square into 4y plus 3 into 3, that is 3 into 3x into 4 square of 4 will become 4 into 4, that is 16. Okay, y square plus 4 cube, 4 into 4 into 4, so it will be 64 y cube. Okay, 64 y cube. So this is equal to 27 x cube plus, now we will multiply, 3 9s are 27, 27 4s are, it will be 108 x square y, whatever variable, if you write y first and then x square, no problem, plus 3 into 3 9, 9 into 16, 9 16s are 144 x y square plus 64 y cube. Okay, so this is nothing but, this is 3x plus 4y whole cube, expansion is, this is your answer, this is the answer. Okay students, I hope you have understood. Now let's start with practice set 5.2 children. Now first expand, first question is k plus 4 the whole cube, k plus 4 the whole cube. Okay, k plus 4 the whole cube. Now here see children, k plus 4 the whole cube, what is your a? Here you can write down, here a is equal to k and your b is equal to 4. Therefore now k plus 4 whole cube, this is equal to, now see children, as what is the formula? A cube plus, here I am writing that formula over here, so that it is a plus b the whole cube, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? This is the formula. Now applying the same rule, a cube, what is your a cube? That means k cube plus, okay, plus 3 a square means k square into b plus 3 a is what? K. What is your b? 4. Okay, b is what? 4 children here, 4. Now 4, okay, 4 square, b square means 4 square plus b the whole cube, that means 4 the whole cube. So this is equal to, one step, k cube plus 3 into k square, again I am writing it because it's 4, okay, b is nothing but 4 plus 3k into 4, okay, 4 square plus 4 cube. So this is equal to k cube plus 3 4s are 12, 12k square plus 3 into, okay, 3k into 16 plus 4 cube is nothing but 64. So this is equal to k cube plus 12k square plus 3 16s, that is 48k plus 64. Clear children? So this way, if you want, you can reduce one step if you want. Now let's start with the second sum, second question, that is 7x plus 8y the whole cube. So this is equal to, okay, 7x plus 8y the whole cube. Now this is equal to a cube, that means your a is equal to 7x and your b is equal to 8y. Now a cube, as per the formula, a cube, a is nothing but 7x the whole cube plus 3 a square, that means 7x square into b, that is 8y plus 3 a, that means a b square. So what is your b square? 8y square plus 8y the whole cube. So this is equal to 7x the whole cube. 7 7x the whole cube means 7 into 7 into 7. That means it will be 343 x cube plus 3 into 7 sevens are 49 x square into 8y plus 3 into 7x into 8 square means 64 y square plus 8 cube means 8 into 8 into 8 children. So it is 512 y cube. Okay. Now see children. Okay. Next last step 343 x cube plus 3 8s are 24. 24 multiplied by 49. So it will be 1176 x square y plus 3 into 7 21. 21 into 64. So that will be 1344. Okay. X y square. So y square x or x y square you can write it. 512 y cube. I will just arrange this. So it is 343 x square plus 1176 x square y plus 1344 x y square plus 512 y cube. Now third sum is same. Fourth one is a numerical term. So instead of fourth I am doing the fifth one, and fourth one we will try. Okay, let's do the fourth one also, in case some students may have doubt. Then 52 whole cube. So the third sum is fourth sum is 52 whole cube. Now 52 children I can write it as 50 plus 2 the whole cube. Okay, 50 plus 2. Now since it is number also, the formula method will be same. Here your A is what? You can write it here. This is your A, this is your B. Now this is equal to A cube. So it is 50 whole cube plus 3A square. A square means 50 square into B is 2 plus 3. A 50 B square is 2 square plus B cube is nothing but 2 cube. So this is equal to 50 cube. So your 50 cube will be children 50 into 50 into 50. That means 125, and how many 0? 1 2 3 0 plus 3 into 2500 into 2 plus 3 into 50 into 4 plus 8. So this is equal to 125000 plus, if you multiply 6 into 2500, so children you will get, it will come 15,000 plus, okay, 3 4s are 12, 12 50s are, it is 600 plus 8. Now if you add all these terms children, you will get 140608. Okay, so expansion of this is nothing but the expansion of 52 the whole cube. So your 52 whole cube equal to 52 whole cube will be equal to 52 whole cube will be equal to 140608. Clear children? Okay, you can copy down. Now fifth one, 101 the whole cube. So this I can write as 100 plus 1 the whole cube. The formula will be same, 100 cube plus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into A is 100 into B square, that is 1 square plus 1 cube. Okay children. Now this is equal to, now see children, here I have not written A is 100, B equal to 1. Okay, this is your A, this is your B. Now once with practice you also will have, you will be able to write the direct substitution. You will be able to do the direct substitution once with the practice. So I will be giving, after this exercise I will be giving some sums that you will be solving in the homework book for thorough practice. Okay. Now this is equal to now 100 cube. So 100 cube will be 100 into 100 into 100. So 1, and how many zeros will be there? 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. plus 3 into 1 to 10,000 into 1, so that will be same, plus 3 into 100 into 1 square is 1 into 1 you can write, and 1 cube will be 1 into 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. So this is equal to, now I can write this 4 5 6 plus 3 4, okay, 1 2 3 4 30 plus 300 plus 1. Okay children, so this is equal to 1030301, clear? The expansion of 101 whole cube. Now let us do the sixth sum, that is x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. Okay, x plus 1 upon x the whole cube. Now this I can write it as this is equal to, again children, here your a is equal to x, b is equal to 1 upon x. Now see here, same a cube, so it will be x the whole cube plus 3 a square means what, x square, into b, that is 1 upon x, plus 3 into a is x, into b square, that means 1 upon x the whole square, plus 1 upon x the whole cube. Very carefully children, first step, substitution of the values. So this is equal to x cube plus 3 x square into 1 upon x, okay, plus 3x into 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x the whole cube. Now see children, here x is there here in denominator also and the numerator, so you can cancel. Here also x, numerator and denominator you can cancel, but now direct if I cancel, this will become what, if it comes above it will become x minus 1, and then using the rules of indices, but the simplest way, because all the children, now see children, but I'll go with the simplest thing so that it is, no, you are not sitting live in the class, there shouldn't be any confusion. So this is x cube plus 3 into x square can be written as x into 1 upon x, okay, I'm making it more clear, x into 1 upon x, okay. Now plus 3, okay, 3 into x into 1 upon x square means x into x, plus 1 upon 1 cube is 1, x cube will be x cube. Now see children, this x gets cancelled with this x cancelled with this, okay. Now what is remaining is x cube plus, here you can see from the numerator, okay, from the numerator only one x is remaining, so it is 3 into x, that is 3x, plus here above see 3 into 1, so it is 3 upon denominator only one x is remaining, plus 1 upon x cube. Children, you are requested to repeat the video and see again, because this 1-2 sums are little tricky, so you can repeat the video and see the step, okay. Now let us see the seventh one, that is 2m plus 1 upon 5 the whole cube, okay. So here your a is equal to 2m, your b is equal to 1 upon 5. Now let us start. 2m plus 1 the whole cube, so this is equal to a cube, that means 2m the whole cube, plus 3a square, that means 2m whole square into b 1 upon 5, plus 3 into a 2m into b square 1 upon 5 the whole square, plus 1 upon 5 the whole b cube, that means 1 upon 5 the whole cube. So this is equal to 2 cube means 8, m cube will be as it is, plus 3 into 2 square means 4 m square into 1 upon 5, plus 3 2s are 6 m into 1 upon 25. 5 square means 1 square is 1, 5 square is 5 into 5, that is 25, plus 1 upon 1 cube is 1 and 5 cube will be 125. 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So this is equal to 8m cube plus 3 4s are 12. So it is 12 m square upon 5 plus 6 m upon 25 plus 1 upon 25. Clear, children? Now let's see the last term, last sum, 8th one, that is 5x plus y upon y, okay, plus y upon 5x the whole cube. This is our last sum. So this is equal to, this is equal to, now a is equal to 5x upon y and your b is equal to y upon 5x. Okay, keep in mind. Now let us start. First term a cube, so it will be 5x upon y the whole cube plus 3a square b. So a square is what? 5x upon y square into b is what? Y upon 5x plus 3 into a, 5x upon y into y upon 5x the whole square plus b cube, that is y upon 5x the whole cube. So this is equal to, now see children, 5 cube, okay, this is equal to 5 cube, that means 5 into 5 into 5, so it is 125 x cube upon y cube. Now see children, this is a cube and we have put a whole bracket, so these cube will be applicable to numerator also and denominator also, so it becomes 125 x cube upon y cube plus 3 into 5x square will become 25x square upon y square, okay, into y upon 5x plus 3, okay, 3 5s are 15, 15x upon y into, this is your y square upon 5x, okay, the 5x the whole square, so it will become 25x square, okay, this expansion, y square upon 5x the whole square becomes 25x square plus y cube is y cube and 5x cube will become, 5x cube is 125x cube. How? 5 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now this is equal to 125x cube upon y cube plus, now see children, here we need to cancel, okay, carefully see the calculations. This is 5 1s and this becomes 5 5s, right? 25 can be 5 5s. Now, okay, if now directly also see children, this 1y and this is how many y? 2y, y into y, y square means what? Y into y. So from this 2y, 1y gets, this y get cancelled with the 1y, so this goes, okay, clear? If you want, you can write extra here one more step, y into y, and y cancel, so what will be remaining in the denominator? 1y plus, now here same way, this y, okay, and this y gets cancelled, only one y is remaining. Why? Because y square means y into y, and from here one y from the denominator, one from the numerator gets cancelled. Now both will be divisible by 3. I can write 3 5s and okay, 5 3s I can write 5 3s and this is 5 5s plus y cube upon this. So now what is remaining is, here in the numerator 3 5s are 15, okay, 15 and 1, this x also children, we have not cancelled the x, so x also will get cancelled. This x goes with this x, so what is remaining? Because x into x and here 1x, so get cancelled. Children, again I am saying you can do one extra step, right here x into x, here you can write y into y, one more step same, and then you can cancel, that will be also, answer will be same and it will be easy to understand. So but then with the practice you need to do directly also in the higher classes, so we are doing it directly. Now 3 5s are 15 x, okay, upon, from denominator only y is remaining, plus here 3 and from this 2y 1y has gone, so only 3y upon denominator, okay, here also x children we have not cancelled, so this x also goes, this x goes with this, so that means what is remaining? Upon 5x plus y cube upon 125 x cube. Children, here in this last sum only calculation, this step is little okay, so you can expand and write it again and then you can practice this type of sum so that you will get a thorough practice. So with this we have completed our 5.2, and I will be sending PDF of same type of sums for practice, which today only you will solve in the homework book, so that the concept is very clear. Next practice set we will be doing in the next video, that is a minus b the whole cube, and then last expansion we will be seeing. We have copied. I am just adjusting the screen so that if you have not copied, you can copy the sums. Okay children, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care. Be at home. Stay safe.